Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can view cart in Doordash. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. So to do so, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference, and once you have opened a web browser of your preference, you need to type in the URL www.doordash.com, which will lead you to the official website of Doordash. Now you can simply add in any of the items you want to add to your cart, or if you have already filled in your cart and you want to view it, all you need to do is simply tap on the cart like icon besides the bell icon. However, here I am showing you how to add items in your cart by hitting the plus sign, and once you have added the items you want to add in, all you need to do now is simply tap on the cart like icon besides the bell icon, and once you tap on it, you can view all your items you have kept in your cart. And by this way you can view your cart as much as you want by adding in stuffs or removing in stuffs from there. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.